So now that I got your attention, this is a continuation of my previous video of my unboxing of the 700i Cobra and how I installed it. This is a before picture of the final product. As you can see, I'm utilizing the cigarette adapter, and this is what I ended up going with. So pretty much this video is just to walk you through what I did in order to get this power set up and this mounting solution going. Starting with the mount I ended up going with, I got this one off Amazon. It's a all metal construction. They make a couple of variations depending on the radar unit you have, but this one fit mine. This mirror mount that I ended up going with came with a few accessories, I guess you can say, in order to kind of like further customize it. Like there's like these little O-rings on the joints that you can change the color of. There's a clear, like an orange, and a black, and then putting the black one. So you see here I have some cloth tape that I ended up putting on the portion where the metal clamp actually like meets the mirror. This is just to prevent any marring that it would do, like, because essentially you're just tightening down these Allen keys like a little tighter just so that it doesn't move. But you know, the more protection we got on our plastics, the better. So now to get into how I ended up powering this with the cleaner setup other than the cigarette lighter. This is what is called a mirror tap. If you look closely, you can see the positive and ground leads that are coming out the bottom. This one's made for my particular radar unit, but essentially you put those prongs in the back of a Molex connector that's tied into your review mirror. This may require some probing to determine what's a constant power or an accessory power, but for me I kind of lucked out and ended up finding that information on a forum for my particular platform. Once that was done, I'm just verifying here that the gadget, the radar, is only powering up an accessory mode, meaning that it's not on all the time, which is good because you don't want it draining your battery. And if you probe the wrong one and insert the pin in the wrong one, you could end up with constant power. It's not what you're looking for. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. There's just one nagging issue I had, which was the clearance on my sunshade would pretty much interfere with my radar mounting position. So I would have to remove the radar from the magnetic mount every time I put it up and down. So a simple solution was just to mock out and then cut out where it interfered with the radar itself and just tidy it up as much as I could and make it look like it was never messed with. So I put that black trim with some nice some nice duct tape to give it a, you know, more nice finish, and so that it could prevent the fraying of the material itself on the sunshade. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But here it is, all at night. It looks awesome. It matches my gauges and everything so nice. So thank you all so much for sticking around to the end. God bless you, and hopefully I'll see you around.